Alright guys, 2008 3.7 Chevy Colorado motor, made to look like, at least mechanically, a 2007 5-time reluctor, just like my 04 PCM. Just reset the timing. We're having some bad issues, as you guys all know. Flats in the cams, face up. See if we can get you a better picture of that. See how they're both flat, face up. Timing marks line up there, keyway for the oil pump right there. Time mark there. TDC is set. Here's our tensioner shoe for the exhaust side, all that fun stuff. When I pull this pin out, you'll want to ratchet out a little bit. I think this is where we had our problem. I don't know if that's bad or good, but the tension looks good. I just don't think it was tight enough. So I'm gonna bring it around with my ratchet and let's see what happens. That should be TDC all over again. Added a 2007 intake cam sensor. This is actually my 04 sensor. I'm gonna try it, see if it works. I've got the other one in the box over here, my air box. Everything else is pretty much off of the motor. I think the compressor's off the 08. We just hooked up my lines to it. Alternator's mine, 04. Because of the pin set, you probably could use an 07 alternator, 3.7 liter fit. 3.5 fuel rail with the 3.7 injectors, due to the fact that it's a return style system versus a returnless as the 08 and up are. My pressure regulator there. Other than that, pretty much bone stock motor. The cam, sprocket or actuator, whatever you want to call it, and that intake camera have been giving us fits day one. So here's to hoping it works. K-Mac out.